In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload contacts to Constant Contact. By the end, you'll feel confident bringing a spreadsheet of names and emails into your account quickly and accurately without losing important details. First, once you're signed into your account, head straight to the Contacts area. You'll find it in the main navigation. This is your home base for everything related to your audience. From here, click the Add Contacts button. This opens the options for how you want to add people, whether one at a time or in bulk. Choose Upload from File. This tells Constant Contact you're bringing in a prepared file rather than typing contacts manually. The platform accepts CSV or plain text files, so if your list is currently in a spreadsheet, export or save it as a CSV before you continue. A quick tip as you prep your file. Include a header row with clear column names like email address, first name, and last name. Keep each type of information in its own column, remove extra blank rows, and avoid adding sensitive personal data that you don't actually need for email marketing. When your file is ready, select it from your computer and continue. Next comes the mapping screen, which is where accuracy really matters. Constant Contact will read your file's header names and try to match each column to the right contact field. Look over each match and fix any that don't line up. For example, make sure the column that holds email addresses is mapped to email address, names mapped to first name and last name, and any company or custom details mapped to the appropriate fields. If a column isn't needed, you can choose to skip it. Double check that at least one email address field is mapped. That's essential for adding a contact. Now assign your contacts to a list. Pick an existing list that best describes this group, such as newsletter subscribers or event attendees. Keeping lists organized will make targeted sending much easier later. If you need a fresh list name, you can create it during this step so everything lands in the right place from the start. When everything looks good, click Upload. You'll see the system begin processing your file. Constant Contact will add new contacts, update existing ones when there's a match, and ignore exact duplicates. After processing, you'll get a confirmation summary so you know how many contacts were successfully added. That's it. You navigated to Contacts, selected Upload from File, mapped your fields, assigned a list, and completed the upload. Clean, fast, and organized.